Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the recess light. That's our bad. There are two bad ones there. Those are like the construction grade recess lights, and they lasted about 6 years, 7 years. Anyway, this is the soft light, and this is a daylight. See the difference? Bright white, yellowish light. Alright, so here's the replacement light, soft white. Easy to install. I got this at Walmart for 9 something. It was 8 something last week. I should have bought it last week, but we need them today. So it's the same as the one I'm replacing with. They have the same design. And this one you only need them if you need a screw. You have a screw-on one, so this one connects to this one here. I don't need it on mine because we directly hook up to this one. Right, so let me turn up the light, the switch, and I'll show you how to replace it. So placing the two over there, so make sure you turn up the power. So I'm going to turn up the power switch. Alright, you're going to need a ladder for this one. There's my head. So you just pull, and there are two spring lock. There are two spring lock on this one here, and this one here. Basically you just squeeze and it drops down, and here's my connection here. You can see this is the connection. Just pull them out together. Let's see if I can do one hand. There you go. And it's done. See? It's out. Spring lock on this one here, and this one here. Basically, you just squeeze, and it drops down. And here's my connection here. You can see this is the connection. Just pull them out together. Let's see if I can do one hand. There you go. And it's done. See? Alright, now we put the new one on. Here's the new one. So just lock it together. Now just lock. Now to put it back, squeeze. Let me start with this side. Squeeze it until it locks to this thing here. There you go, it's there. Now this one, squeeze. And there's the lock right there. Now push. That's pretty much done. Now to put it back, squeeze. Let me start with this side. Squeeze it until it locks to this thing here. There you go, it's there. Now this one, squeeze. And there's the lock right there. Now push. That's pretty much done. Let's turn on the lights, see if it works. There you go, it works. Now here's the old one again, and let me show you the new one, because I have two that is bad. Here's the new one, so as you can see the comparison, it's basically the same, except this is a little bit more, it has a film cover on it, looks like it. Anyway, this one has matte, this one's glossy, just to give it the soft light color. Anyway, I'm going to install this one too now, and if you want to stop watching me, it's fine. If you want to watch me change the other one, it's up to you. If you're gonna tune out now, I just want to say thank you for watching. See you next time. If you're gonna continue watching, thanks for watching continuously. All right, we're doing the second one. Like the first one, squeeze these two over here, this one and this one here. Remove this part right here, separate. Hook up this two, hook it up. There's one right here. I don't know if the camera can see it. There's one on the other side. So put this one first. Almost forgot this one. See, just tight. This lock, that's lock. Now push up. Now we'll go test it, make sure it works. And it works. So both lights are working now. That one and this one. Alright, I hope this helped. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. The more you like this video, the more beneficial for me. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I hope this helps. If you have any more household repair, I might have it. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.